guys, what's up? It's Alice and welcome back to my channel. So 2018, you know what the best part of this time of the year is? Lucky packs! For this year, I bought one of the Lisa lucky packs. They had two. One was just a regular tote which contained I think like 4 items, like a coat, a dress, a sweater, and a second one which was the My Melody Lisa collaboration, which comes with a luggage, a coat, a bunch of stuff I forgot. Anyways, can you guess which one I bought? I bought the My Melody and Lisa collaboration lucky pack! It's like an actual carry-on size bag, so that's really exciting. I bought this from the eBay store. I actually pre-ordered it about 2 weeks ago and it came in the mail on January 2nd, so I was very surprised that it was so quick. But let's get right into it! Ta-da! So yeah, on top we have the coat and more dressing. I kind of forgot what was in this lucky pack. So let's go through it together! Everything is packed so nicely. Once I take it out, I will never be able to pack it as nicely ever again. First thing is this cute little My Melody plushie. Obviously they had to include a My Melody plush. Yeah, it's actually like a charm. So yay! I'm going from like the inside to the outside. So this is just a camisole. Yeah, just a plain white camisole. Next, we have this cardigan. It's just like a plain beige cardigan with no fancy patterns, but the buttons are hearts. I think a cardigan is always useful, and this one is kind of nice and plain, so it'll go well with anything. I think this is a sweater. Yay! It's like another plain white beige sweater, but this one has like a little bit of a pattern on the front. It's getting so cold in New York City. I've actually been meaning to get a couple of knit sweaters like this, so I'm glad that I have one now, at least. Yay! Alright, so now we get to the fun stuff. This is a My Melody Lisa collaboration skirt! Yay! So it's just like a really cute pattern. Ta-da! This is actually really cute. I really like it. So this is the second last item. I think it's the same print as the skirt, but it's an OP! Woo! I'm really excited for this dress. It's really, really cute. Last but not least, it also comes with a coat! Oh my god! It's really cute. I kind of like this. So the reason that I chose this lucky pack instead of the other one was because this one had a lot more fancier prints than the other one. Felt kind of boring to me, and also because of the coat. The other coat was just like a plain white coat. Can't really tell what color it is. It's like a pink beigey color. I really like it. It doesn't stand out too much, but it's not too boring. So I'm really excited for this one. But yeah, so those were all the items that were in my Lisa lucky pack this year. I feel like every December, it's always really fun to see what kind of lucky packs each brand comes up with. And nowadays, they tell you what's in the lucky pack before you even buy it. So it's a great way to decide if you even want it or not. And when I saw what they put out in this bag, I really, really wanted it for multiple reasons. One, it comes with an actual carry-on suitcase that is really adorable, and then for this coat and for the prints, I don't know, everything in this lucky pack was just very adorable. And Lisa is my favorite brand, so this is an obvious choice for my lucky pack this year. And yeah, well, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below which of these items are your favorite, and also if you bought any lucky packs this year, which one did you buy and do you like it? Sorry I didn't get to do a try-on haul, but hopefully I can do like a lookbook video with all these items. So if you really want to see that, let me know in the comments below and I'll try my best to get one done. Last but not least, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys next week.